Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store, and here on the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just open the app. Here click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher. Now just tap to OK, again OK, and go back. Here tap to the switch input method and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and as can you see, it's finished. And now we can go, for example, into the Google search, and here you'll see you can see a look of our new device keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.